Hello and welcome to my little project, which is mermaid charts. These are different type of charts that you can generate with code, flow chart, sequence diagram, class diagram, and so on. And they are widely used, and you can build them with code. So when you can build them with code, I was thinking, so you can edit them. You can stay instead of start here, you can say start. You can say start not here, then you will have it directly here. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can download it as SVG or as code. But what you can also do is I have integrated AI. It works pretty good with DeepSeek version 3.1. I like this the most, and you have to have an open router key. And you can say translate the chart into German. And you can say update the current chart. So now, as you can see here, everything is in English, yeah, but maybe you're German speaking like me, and you need it in German or you want it in German. So what will happen now is the AI will take this one and regenerate it, and you can see how it works, and it basically completely um, rewrote the chart. If you want to have a different type of diagram, entity relationship diagram, you can just say convert the chart. And now this is just a different chart style that will now be built. And yeah, the when you write a mermaid code, you will also have artificial intelligence autocorrect your code. So when you do an approximate code, and maybe you generated a chart somewhere and you copy and paste it here inside the app, then AI will actually fix the error. So now you saw actually AI made this chart. It's not working. AI is checking their own mistakes and fixing it. And here is the fixed German version of a entity relationship diagram. So this is one thing which is somehow nice and I think very useful, especially for code, but you can also use it for fun stuff. So you can say, uh, um, we maybe go back to, yeah, good question. I like the flow chart the most, yeah. So now it will convert it back into the flowchart. Let's see if we actually get the same result or something that looks completely different. Look, it looks a little bit different. Yeah, it left a few things, but now I want to do something completely new. I want to say the complete life cycle of a beehive and all of its participants from birth to death and generate new. So now DeepSeek tried to understand what I want, and it actually created a nice chart where you have the queen bee, which is laying eggs. The eggs get fertilized. Unfertilized eggs, they become drone bees, the larva, and so on. Yeah, and when you want to say make this much more detailed and add um, information to each point and more, and also some flora and fauna that interacts with the bees. So I can say update the current chart, and what you're actually getting is again DeepSeek thinking what I actually want and create me this nice visualization of yeah, what I wanted. So here you actually now have an absolutely amazing chart. Yeah, queen bee lays up to 2,000 eggs daily. Yeah, fertilized, unfertilized, hatches after 3 days, and you can learn so much. Yeah, in such an easy way. And not only this, you can actually download this image. Yeah, so I'm downloading this image and then B, and I call this B. I can save and also export a markdown file, which is the code, or you can just copy the code here and use it somewhere, and you can share this link. I'm not so sure if the link sharing actually work. Let's see. No, it does not. So I haven't built this yet, but doesn't matter. You can just for yourself store it and yeah, enjoy playing around with the tool.